Hello friends, welcome to backward channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all you will be happy. May Almighty keep you all happy and keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Amen. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet crop top blouses designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to you people in all the designs that I am sharing with you to are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my video. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful for guys, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you can like or subscribe any videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video has a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friend, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of letter designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in our next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me, take care, will remember in prayer, and bye.